Hello everyone, I am Gokul. In this video, we have to unbox the Zebronics Warrior 4 speaker. Now I am unboxing this speaker. I have purchased this for 850 in Amazon. I have attached the Amazon link in description. If you wish to purchase the product, kindly go there and purchase. And now I am unboxing this product. Comparing with Zebronics Warrior 1 and 2, this is a best one for editors and yeah, little more studio creators. So now I am unboxing this product. Wow, there is a huge packing this. The build quality is so good. I think there is so good build quality, and there is no metal frame for speaker, so it can easily damage. This is the only one reason. There is only one disadvantage in the speaker. Now I am connect this speaker to a power bank. Yes, now I am connected with a power bank. Now the RGBs will glow, I think. Okay, there is a different type of RGB. There are 5 mode of RGB. One is off. There is a on off section. So totally 4 type of RGB. Now I am pressing 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is the off, I think. Okay, these are the basic needs of the speaker. There is a one better advantage is we can able to turn off the speaker. This is the main advantage of the speaker, RGB. Okay, we can able to turn off the RGB. This is the main advantage of the speaker. It has a huge bass. I have attached the link in description for the bass and sound test comparison of Warrior 1 and 2. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I have unboxed this product and reviewed it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, kindly comment it below. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notification. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.